Guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix entry point not found. The procedure entry point could not be located. The dynamic link. For moving to the video, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. First of all, you have to just open your Chrome browser and search here for the link. You can copy this link from this video's description, and after this you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just scroll down, and here you have to just click on the download option. Now you will find here such type of the interface where you have to just choose the download you want. To just check your system specification, right click on your PC and then click on the properties option. Here you have to just check the system type, which is x64 for my system. So you have to check your system specification, and after doing so again open your Chrome browser, and now basically we have to just download the one that matches to our system specification. Like I just download the 64-bit and then click on the next. So it just start to download. You have to wait for some time, and after doing so you have to just click to open this downloaded folder. I just click to open it. After doing so you will find here this type of the pop-up. You have to just click on I agree the license terms and the conditions, and then click on the install. After doing so you have to just restart your PC and your problem will be fixed by doing so. If this method not work for you, then you have to just move to the next method. Basically you have to just click to the command prompt or CMD in your PC or laptop. Just right click on it and then run it as an administrator. After doing so you have to just put a specific command, which is sfc space / and then scan now in one word and hit the enter. After doing so you will find that this process will take some time. You have to wait for some time and then again hit the enter. After doing so this processing will start. Wait until it reaches to 100%. It will take about 30 to 35 minutes, so you have to be patient, and after this repeat the previous installation method again and your problem will be fixed. And our last and the final method is that you have to just copy this link from the description and then paste it in your Google Chrome browser and press enter. After this you have to just find this type of the interface, click on the download start, and after downloading you have to just open it and then install it and your problem will be fixed. For more information visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave comment below. Thanks.